Hi there, it's Zelig here with another Scratch video. Today's topic is really important if you're getting started with Scratch, as we're going to talk about something called Sprite. What's a sprite? Well, in Scratch, a sprite is like a characters or a picture. So if you ever played Minecraft, every single block you see around you is actually a sprite. So pretty important, yeah? And you can use this sprite to program and do things like move, dance, or talk. It's like a puppet that you can control with your computer. Sprites can be many different things. They can be animals, people, object, letters, buttons, anything. You can choose from loads of different sprites that are already in the Scratch program. Or you can draw your own. Once you have a sprite, you can do all sorts of things by writing codes and control its movements and actions. Now it's time to look at how do we create a sprite. Well, it's pretty simple. Bottom right, you can click on the Choose a Sprite button. You can select the sprite that we want, in our case a cat. And that's all. The sprite is actually ready to be used. Sprites are absolutely important for us. Pretty cool. Follow me and watch my other videos to learn more about Scratch. Ciao!